Hi, this is Kara Nelson at swifttrek.com, and I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to use a widget that's on this website, and the widget's called Feature a Page Widget. Now, a widget is something that you put in either your sidebar area, this is your footer area of your website, this is your main content area where your pages and your posts go, but to bring other items we use widgets. So we're going to walk through how to do the footers, and using this plugin called the Feature Page Widget, you need to have full admin role capabilities to do this. If you're just an editor or an author, just to be able to manage your own content, you won't be able to do this. You'll need to have full admin capabilities to be able to work on widgets. So let's go take a look at how we can edit this. We're going to log in. Put in our username and password. So what brings this to the front is creating a page. And what we do to this page. So we know that the Head Start regulations is one of the widgets. This is some content that's pushed to the front of importance. To make this happen, there's this excerpt right down here below the content area, which you put in a short little teaser phrase to summarize this content. This is the information that will be pulled up front, and we'll add a read more file that can be clickable and brings you back to here. Now, there's a photo within this content. And to have this photo also featured on the front, we need to add it into the feature image. And you do this by just setting a feature image, which brings you over to your image, your media library. And that's this one. I'm going to bring it in, the right one in. And this is what brings it into the front of the go to the home page. This is what sets it up. And we will go now and we will pull this in as the widget. So to get to your widgets, you go over into your left column, you go to Appearance and your widgets. Now we're working specifically on the home page. So the home page has its own widget areas, which is your home footer 1, home footer 2, and home footer 3. So to put your content, to pull it forward, this is the feature page widget in here. You want to make sure you have the page title, the feature image, excerpt, and the read more link highlighted. Now I'm going to show you a couple different ways the format can change, okay? This is the way it's set up now, which is using the big image. So if we use the banner image, it makes it a little bit smaller. It crops it down a little bit. Just a different sizing in the image. And if we wrap it, it's going to make the image square. It automatically does this for you. You might not like it, so you might need to bring the photos in a perfect square if you don't like what it does. So there's different ways that this can be done. This format, we're being consistent on this website, is to use the big image. Now, to find this content to pull up and to change between pages, you can easily, they're highlighted in green if they have a feature image and the expert in there. You just need to choose the page. So this one's a Head Start regulations. It's already selected. And there's just a few others set in here. So once you set up a page, you could choose it and rotate between them and have some new content changing on your front home page. I need to go set that back. And always save it. And now we're back to the way it is. In that read more by checking it, you click on that and it allows you to go to the page. So that's how you go in and you edit your feature, your homepage features content that you're bringing up. So you just remember that you go up and you, on your page, you need to make sure there is an excerpt put in there, your feature image is in there, you update it, then you go over to appearance, widgets, and this one we're doing it under each of our footers. And keep these settings for this website, the big image, select all of these. These will not change. You can just change between pages. So you can just go look for the page within here and you'll be all set. So that is how you update the home page, the bottom footer widgets. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Any questions, you can reach out at swifttrek.com. Thank you.